In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make DaVinci Resolve easier to use in your preferred language, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple. You only need to adjust one setting inside the program preferences, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look to the top left corner of the screen. There, click on DaVinci Resolve to open the main application menu. This is where you'll find general settings related to the software itself, not just the project you're currently working on. From that menu, click Preferences. This will open the settings window where DaVinci Resolve stores a variety of personal and system options. If you're changing how the software looks and behaves for your own use, this is the right place to be. Once the Preferences window appears, click the User tab. This section contains settings that affect your personal user experience, including interface options. It's different from project-level settings, so if you don't see the language option right away, make sure you're in the User tab and not another tab. Under UI settings, find the Language drop-down menu. This is the setting that controls the display language used throughout the DaVinci Resolve interface. Click the drop-down and you'll see the available languages you can choose from. Select the language you want to use. After opening the list, you can review the available options and choose the one that best fits your needs. This is especially helpful if you're more comfortable editing in a different language or if you're setting up the software for someone else, and that's it. Once you choose your preferred language, the interface will be set accordingly based on the options available in DaVinci Resolve. If your version of the software requires it, you may need to restart the program for the language change to fully apply, so keep that in mind if you don't see the update immediately. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your editing experience feels. If you're customizing your workspace, changing the language is a great place to start.